starts with a look that demands attention. Let style lead the way with brilliant LED headlights and dynamic available machine-finished alloy wheels. And with eye-catching accents, you're sure to leave a lasting impression at every turn, making it unforgettable from the very first moment. The interior is striking from the moment you open the door. Inside, you'll find total control and convenience in the driver's seat. Take command and stay in the know with the driver information interface. Plus, you can enjoy a breath of fresh air with the available one-touch power moonroof. The available dual-zone climate control and heated front seats will ensure that you stay comfortable, while the available heated side mirrors keep you seeing clearly on cold mornings. And in the second row, it's all about versatility, folding seats and plenty of space for passengers and cargo, so you can take all that you need with you wherever you're headed. With the HRV's advanced tech at your fingertips, you'll be ready to take on anything. Available wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility and Android Auto compatibility, as well as the available wireless phone charger to keep you connected the time you do. But the charging ports are right there with fast energy for whatever you do need to plug in. And the available 8-speaker audio system will have you hanging on every crystal clear note. But the brilliance doesn't end inside. Ride confidently with the Honda Sensing suite of features. Plus, the multi-angle rear-view camera, available blind spot information system, and parking sensors all add extra convenience to every drive. Available real-time all-wheel drive and the capable snow mode allow you to take on any road, making this the perfect vehicle to carry you forward. Experience the bold innovation of the all-new HRV, brought to you by Honda.